Imagine living in a world where every financial decision aligns perfectly with your values, where success is not just about wealth, but about purpose and legacy. Why does Islam, one of the world's most influential religions, place such a profound emphasis on business? And what can you learn from this timeless wisdom to reshape your financial future? Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll discover powerful principles that could transform the way you think about money and success. And hey, did you know Prophet Muhammad, yes, the founder of Islam, was an entrepreneur? That's right. We're diving into a story as old as time with lessons as relevant as your next paycheck. Setting the stage. To understand why business holds such a sacred place in Islam, let's start with a simple but profound idea: balance. Islam teaches that life is a delicate interplay between faith and action, spirituality and material success. Business in this context is more than just a way to make money. It's a path to serve society, build communities, and honor divine principles. Did you know that over 1.8 billion Muslims worldwide are encouraged to engage in commerce as an act of worship? And here's the kicker: Islamic finance, a trillion-dollar industry, prohibits interest to ensure fairness and equity in business dealings. This ancient practice is disrupting modern financial systems, and here's why that matters to you. The core message. Point 1. Business as a divine responsibility. In Islam, business isn't just a career choice, it's a divine responsibility. The Prophet Muhammad once said, "The truthful merchant is with the prophets, the truthful, and the martyrs." This means honesty, trustworthiness, and ethical practices in business elevate you spiritually. Now think about this. What if your financial decisions weren't just about profit, but about purpose? Let's be real. If Amazon had a Halal business certification, it would probably outsell everything, including its own Prime membership. Point 2. Encouraging wealth creation. Islam encourages wealth creation, but with a twist. Wealth isn't meant to be hoarded, it's meant to circulate. Concepts like zakat, the mandatory charitable giving, ensure that wealth benefits the community. Imagine a world where every dollar you earn not only builds your future but uplifts others. Doesn't that sound like the ultimate win-win? Now here's the urgent question. Are you letting your money work for you, or are you just working for your money? Because the clock is ticking, and every moment wasted is potential wealth, lost forever. Point 3. Building a legacy. Finally, Islam views business as a tool for building a lasting legacy. Think of it this way. Every ethical transaction, every job you create, every life you impact, it all adds up to something far greater than a balance sheet. It's about leaving a mark on this world that echoes in the next. So, what's the takeaway here? Whether you follow Islam or not, these principles of honesty, community impact, and legacy offer a blueprint for financial freedom. The choice is yours. Will you settle for short-term gains, or will you build something meaningful that stands the test of time? And seriously, when's the last time your bank account thanked you for playing it safe? If you're ready to take your financial journey to the next level, you don't want to miss our video on the power of compounding. It's packed with insights that could make your money work harder than ever before. Click the link on the screen or in the description below, because your journey to wealth and purpose starts now.